Hi everyone, my name is Kaustubh Kale. Trust you guys are doing absolutely amazing. So there's a common query that I get from my prospective clients that how do we start investing, where should we begin, or what exactly should we do to begin investing. So let's understand this today. My recommendation to you is to begin investing. You have to build the right mindset as well as psychology because that is what will take you far in investing. And now to build the right mindset and psychology, what is the exact thing that you do is to read books. Which are the books that I recommend? Don't read all the books that are there in investing and finance. Read only specific book because you need only specific books to learn and understand the psychology. So which are the two books that I recommend? The first book that I recommend is Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. So this is the first book that I recommend. The intention is it tells you in an absolutely fabulous manner the comparison between the mindset of a rich dad and poor dad and how their actions affected. It is very important because it will help you develop your financial literacy, understand what is the difference between investing in assets, investing in businesses, investing that is owning businesses and investing in real estate. So this is the book that you should recommend, that you should begin with as your first book. Now what is the second book that I recommend? The second book that I recommend is The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. In this book, again through short stories, Morgan has taught you about how people respond to money, how they make financial decisions, and how they react to various situations. Again, this is a book that will help you build the right psychology. Both these books will help you make a better financial decision and become better in life in terms of investing. Now, people do ask me that if I've already started investing or I've read these books in the past, do I have to read them again? Yes, it is recommended because we evolve, our thought processes evolve. So even if you have read the book in the past, it is good that you read it couple of times always in future for the simple reason that you will get a fresher perspective and you will have better takeaways. So always remember that those people who excel in investing are not the ones who make higher returns consistently, but are those who have the right mindset, just like it happens in sports. So personal finance is more about the person rather than the finance, and that is why it's important to build the right mindset. So these were two books that I recommend. If you are starting as an investor, please do read them. Thank you so much everyone. I hope you found this useful as well as interesting.